Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to enable product reviews app on Shopify. First, go to Shopify and make sure you log it in. Then, open a new tab and search for L site. Now, scroll down and click on the L site website link. Once you're on the site, go to the widgets section and click on reviews from Amazon. Scroll down and pick a template you like, then click on continue with this template. Now, enter the Amazon product link whose reviews you want to display. Check how the reviews will look. Then, click on Add to Website for free. Now, continue with your Google account to sign up. Choose your Google account and click Continue. Once you're in, click on Publish at the top right. Now, select the free plan to continue. Here, you'll get an embed code, copy it. Now, go back to your Shopify store. Click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Then, click on Themes and then click Customize on your current theme. Now, from the left panel, click on Add section. Scroll down and select Custom Liquid. Click on the new Custom Liquid section, then click the three dots next to it and select Edit Code. Paste the embed code you copied from L site into the code editor on the right. Once the code is added, you'll see the Amazon reviews appear on your storefront. Finally, click Save at the top right and you're done. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.